Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all the others. Let us be grateful to people who make us happy. They are the charming gardeners who make our souls blossom. The smallest act of kindness is worth more than the grandest intention. Appreciation can make a day, even change a life. Now invite Ms. Lilavati KB to deliver the vote of thanks.
Behind you, all your memories. Before you, all your dreams. Around you, all who love you, and within you, all you need. Distinguished Chief Guest, Dr. Smita George. Esteemed Chairman, Jose Kannampilli Sir. Honorable Academic Director, Dr. Ramanunni Sir. Respected Principal, Jose Joseph Alamkal Sir. Treasured Board of Directors, vibrant Headmistress Anitha Kumari Ma'am, dear worthy parents, dedicated teachers, and all my dear loving children. A very good afternoon to all. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the words of gratitude for being with us and supporting us. At the very outset, I offer my sincere thanks to Lord Almighty for His countless blessings showered upon us for making this event a grand success. Next, I would like to extend my profound gratitude to our Chief Guest, Her Excellency Dr. Smita George, for bringing such a grace for this event. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your prized time and worthwhile words. The secret to success is a good leadership. Yes, it is the goodness of a loving chairman that radiates positive energy everywhere. Sir, we are very much thankful to you for giving us and our children a wonderful platform to nurture and showcase our potentials. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to sincerely thank our academic director, Dr. Ramanunni sir, who always keeps quality as the ultimate value. Thank you so much, sir. A leader builds confidence and character and changes our lives forever. Our beloved principal sir is exactly the same, where his principles and lifestyle motivate us to bring out the best in us. With a great pride, I sincerely thank you, sir, for your fair and consistent approach which supported our children to grow up with flying colors. Thank you so much, sir. The teamwork and collaboration leads to achieve wonderful goals. This is the great truth which is proved in successful ventures. I am very much obliged to thank all the worthy board members for your unconditional support and constant cooperation. Thank you all. To have ideas is easier, but to implement them is an Herculean task. In this regard, I salute our KG Headmistress Anitha Kumari Ma'am for all her innovative ideas that executed into great wonders. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your able guidance. Next, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to all my dear worthy parents. Your wholehearted cooperation is the great strength to us. I deem it a great opportunity to thank you all for your unconditional love and support for us. Thank you all. Next, a teamwork divides the task and multiplies the success. Being a team member, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to all my dear teachers who brought life and colors for this great event. Thank you so much, dear teachers, for your dedication, support, and commitment. Thank you all. Now, I would like to extend my very special thanks to all my little loving children. This is the special day especially meant for you, and you are the shining stars of this day. With a great pride, we can say that you step down to the ladder of schooling for accepting challenges with great confidence. May God bless you all, and we wish you all a bright and wonderful future where your all dreams come true. Once again, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to extend sincere thanks to each and every one of you. Let me conclude with a quote by Victor Hugo. Don't educate your child to be rich. Educate your child to be happy. When he grows up, he knows the value of things, not the price. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, let us all rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे